You don't need to hire singers, you don't need to show your face, and you definitely don't need 5 different AI apps open at the same time, because I created this entire 4-person singing video with all 4 voices perfectly lip-synced using just one tool. And the interesting part is, you don't need to create 4 separate videos or animate each character one by one. So how does this actually work? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact workflow I used to create this multi-character singing video in just 3 simple steps using a tool called Dzine AI. And once you see how these 3 steps connect, you'll understand why this workflow can be useful for much more than just music videos. So let's start with the first step. Dzine AI is an all-in-one image and video studio that brings the entire AI creation process together in one place. Once you're inside Dzine AI, the first thing we need to do is create a new project and give it a name. Now inside the chat editor, you can create both images and videos, so we're going to build the entire workflow right here. First, let's start by creating our multi-character image. I'll paste in this prompt to create 4 female singers together in the same scene. Next, we need to choose our image model. Here you can find a whole range of image models, including Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image 2, Midjourney, Seedream, Grok, and many more. So instead of paying for several different image generators and constantly switching between different websites, you can access all of these models from the same dashboard. For this example, I'm going with GPT Image 2 because, based on my testing, I found that it gives me the most realistic results. Then I'll choose the image settings and generate the image. But before we move on, I also want to see how another model handles the exact same prompt. So I'm going to create another version using Nano Banana Pro as well. And here are the 2 results. This one was created with Nano Banana Pro, while this one was created with GPT Image 2. Honestly, both results look really good. However, for this video, I'm going with the GPT Image 2 version. Now we have our 4 singers, but they're still just standing in a single image. So this is where the next step comes in. We need to turn this still image into a live performance. To do that, I'll click AI video underneath the image, which automatically adds our image to the chat editor. Then I'll enter my animation prompt. I'm using this prompt. Animate this 4-person group photo into a 15-second live performance clip where each of the singers delivers their own individual line, mixing English and Korean lyrics, one after another. Next, we need to choose the video model. And just like with image generation, there are several options here, including Seedance 2.0, Kling, VEO, Hailuo, and more. For this example, I'm selecting Seedance 2.0 because it gives me the type of result I'm looking for. Then I'll choose the video quality, keep the duration at 15 seconds, and generate the video. And here's the result. It came out exactly how I wanted, and all 4 singers are performing together in the same shot. But now, this is where things get really interesting. At this point, we have one video with 4 characters. So the big question is, how do we make each character sing their own part? Normally, this could mean creating separate clips for each character, editing everything together, and then trying to match the audio manually. But thankfully, we don't need to do any of that here. Instead, we can take this single video and lip sync all 4 characters individually. And the best part is, this feature is available directly inside Dzine AI. Multi-person lip sync like this is still extremely rare to find in other tools, especially when you want several characters in the same scene to follow different parts of the same audio. So let's see exactly how we can control each character. I'll click lip sync and select all 4 characters. Now we need to give each character their own part of the audio. For example, you can see that the first character speaking is speaker D, so I'll select pick a voice. From here, you can either create a voice or upload your own audio file. For this example, I'm going to upload the music file I'm using. However, we don't want to give speaker D the entire song. Instead, I'll trim the audio to the exact section where speaker D is singing. And this small step is actually what makes the whole workflow work. We're telling the AI exactly which part of the audio belongs to this specific character. So when we generate the lip sync, speaker D will only sing during that specific section. Next, I'll upload the same audio file for speaker C and trim it to the section where she sings. Then, I'll do the exact same thing for the other 2 characters. So now each of the 4 singers has their own specific section of the audio. And because we assign those sections individually, we can control exactly who sings which part, even though all 4 characters are still inside the same video. Now we just need to choose the lip sync model. There are options like Seedance and Kling, but for this example, I'm going with Dzine AI Pro because it supports video to lip sync and gives me a better result for this particular workflow. So I'll generate the final result, and here it is.
You can try to shut me down, but I'm already on my way. 내가 가는 길은 이미 정해진 거야. They can't stop what's already gone. 이제는 돌아갈 수 없어. So watch me burn, watch me rise, watch me take on the sky.
As you can see, the lip sync is much more accurate across all 4 characters, and each singer follows their own part of the song. And honestly, that's the part I like most about this workflow. We started with a simple text prompt, created 4 characters in the same scene, turn that image into a live performance, and then assign different parts of the audio to each character. And we did all of that without downloading a single file or leaving the DzineAI website. But here's where this becomes even more useful. You don't have to use this workflow only for music videos. The exact same idea can work for animated story videos where several characters need to speak in the same scene. For example, imagine you have 4 characters having a conversation. Instead of creating separate videos for each character, you can keep all of them together in one scene and assign each character their own part of the dialogue. And that's what makes this workflow so useful. Instead of paying for several different AI subscriptions and constantly moving between different platforms for image generation, video generation, and lip sync, DzineAI puts all of these AI tools together in one platform. And if you're just getting started, DzineAI also gives new users 50 credits instantly. After that, you get 32 fresh credits every single day, so you have new credits to keep creating. However, keep in mind that these 32 daily credits don't stack. They refresh every 24 hours. So if you want to try this workflow yourself and create your own multi-character videos, you can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.